Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. In this video, we are going to perform matrix operation on two-dimensional array. Matrix operation such as addition, subtraction, transpose and sum of diagonal elements are performed in C language. So let's start. We know that array is collection of elements of same data types stored in contiguous memory location. It allows us to store multiple values under single variable name. Example, integer marks of 5. It is a one-dimensional array which can hold 5 elements. Array are of two types. One-dimensional array which can store elements linearly. Another is two-dimensional array which stores elements in the form of matrix. As shown in example B2 of 2, it can store 4 elements in the form of 2 by 2 matrix. Next, C3 of 3. It can store 9 elements in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. Now we will discuss an algorithm to perform operations on two-dimensional matrix. Step 1 is start. In step 2, we will initialize two-dimensional array, say A2 of 2, B2 of 2 and read the values. In step 3, we will perform matrix operations such as addition, subtraction, transpose and sum of diagonal elements. In step 4, we will display result of above operation. Step 5 is the last step, which is stop. Now we will see flowchart for matrix operations such as addition, subtraction, transpose and sum of diagonal elements. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. First, two matrices are read, say A and B, of dimension 2 by 2, as shown in input-output block. Further, in process block, all the operations are performed as discussed earlier. Next, result of operation is displayed in input-output block. Flowchart always ends with stop. Now we will write actual code to perform matrix operations. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and kunio.h is done. In main program, we will initialize two-dimensional matrices A and B and matrices for storing result as sum, sub, trans and variable to store sum of a diagonal element, that is diag equal to 0 is also initialized. First, we will enter elements of matrices A and B. As length of code is more, it is continued in next slide. Then we will perform addition, subtraction and transpose operation on matrix A and B using for loop as shown. Further, display resultant values of those matrices. Finally, we will display sum of diagonal elements as shown in the program. Now we will execute the code in Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, it is asking to enter elements of first matrix, that is matrix A. Let's enter elements as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, elements of second matrix, that is matrix B, are entered as 5, 6, 7 and 8. Result for sum of matrix A and B is as 6, 8, 10 and 12. For subtraction, -4, -4, -4 and -4. Transpose of matrix A is 1, 3, 2 and 4. Addition of diagonal elements of matrix A is 5. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.